In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Wells Fargo Cardless ATM Withdrawal feature with your Apple Pay wallet. This process is straightforward and convenient, allowing you to make ATM transactions without the need to carry a physical card. Whether you're in a rush or simply want to streamline your banking experience, using your phone for ATM withdrawals can be incredibly handy. Let's dive in, and I'll guide you through each step. First things first, you'll want to ensure that the ATM you're approaching is compatible with cardless transactions, specifically with NFC technology or Apple Pay. This is essential because not all ATMs have this capability just yet. Look around the ATM for one of those familiar contactless symbols. It might look like a little Wi-Fi or contactless icon, hinting at its compatibility with cardless withdrawals. Once you've found a compatible ATM, take out your iPhone and open up the Wallet app. This is your digital hub for managing payments and, in this case, accessing your debit card for the ATM transaction. Within Wallet, select the debit card that you plan to use. You probably have a few cards stored, so choose the one linked to your Wells Fargo account to continue. Now approach the ATM with your phone in hand. Place your iPhone near the cardless symbol on the machine. You don't have to press it directly against the symbol. Hovering slightly over or gently tapping it will do the trick. When your iPhone is in range, the Wallet app will trigger a confirm payment prompt, a feature you're likely familiar with if you've used Apple Pay before. Here's where the security features on your iPhone come into play. To confirm the transaction, double press the power button on your iPhone. This step is a security measure to ensure that it's really you making the transaction. You'll then need to authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. These security features help protect your account from unauthorized use, giving you peace of mind even if you misplace your phone. Once your identity is confirmed, the ATM may prompt you to enter your debit card PIN code directly on the screen. This step is just like using a physical card where the PIN code acts as a final layer of verification. Enter your PIN to proceed. Now that you're authenticated and your card is successfully linked to the ATM via your phone, just go ahead and use the ATM as you normally would. Whether you're withdrawing cash, depositing some funds, or performing other functions, just proceed through the ATM's prompts to complete your desired transaction. And that's it. You've successfully completed a cardless ATM transaction using your Apple Pay wallet with a Wells Fargo ATM. It's a simple, secure way to manage your finances on the go, without needing to worry about carrying your physical card.